Hello everyone, I'm Midshipman Wang Joseph Carl and I'm here to demonstrate how to announce distress, urgency, and safety message. Mayday, Mayday, Mayday. This is a MB Vital MMSI 12137 liner 421 call sign Alpha Juliet Echo Mike. My position 120 degree 5 decimal 4 minutes north, 101 degree 3 decimal 2 minutes east. I hit a missile and I am sinking. I need immediate assistance and I have 10 people on board including 2 casualties. Over. Pan 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 pan. All station, all station, all station. This is a MMSI 121378 liner 421 motor vessel Vital. Call sign Alpha Juliet Echo Mike. Position 120 degree 5 decimal 4 minutes north, 101 degree 3 decimal 2 minutes east. I have 1 crew injured and I required medical assistance. Over. Security, security, security. All ships, all ships, all ships in the area of Tingloy. This is a MMSI 121378 liners 421 MB Vital, MB Vital, MB Vital. Call sign Alpha Juliet Echo Mike. There is a floating container in position of 12 degree 6 decimal 1 minute north, 17 degree 2 decimal 2 minutes east. I repeat, there is a floating container in position 12 degree 6 decimal 1 minute north, 17 degree 2 decimal 2 minutes east. Over.